Hi friends, good morning. My name is Charity, a Filipina here in America, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will do the unboxing of Michael Kors bag. Yes, I've been loving Michael Kors items, and recently I bought a Michael Kors bag. The name of the bag is Sylvia, and it's small, and I think it's Sylvia small flap Xbody. So I will show it to you, friends. So Michael Kors, this is how the bag look like. This is it, friends. It's, what is it? Yep, here it is. Michael Kors. Here's the tag, the Michael Kors tag, and the name of this bag is what I said earlier. It is Sylvia. It's vanilla lug, a small flap Xbody. The price, the original price, it's $258, but then I bought this at TJ Maxx. Yes, friends, I bought it at TJ Maxx, and the price for this bag is $109, only $109.99. And plus tax, I paid $118 for this bag. I chose this bag because I love the color. I love like neutral bag. I love the brown, or the brown and the vanilla in here. And I love the material, the gold material, this MK, and I love the strap. It is adjustable strap. As you can see it, it's adjustable. And the inside, friends, is, I love the inside because it's like this. So there's a pocket in here and another pocket, a zipper pocket also here. So, and there is their name all over inside, Michael Kors. And also, friends, there is a back pocket. Yes, at the back area, on the back of this bag, there's also a pocket. I love it. There's a pocket, so you can see it. There's a pocket. So yeah, there's Michael Kors all over, is their name all over, and this one, the MK, all over the back and the front, MK. And the I love the flap. It's what is that? The closure of this bag, it's flap. So just magnetic flap closure. So I love it. So you can hear it. I love it. Ding. I love it. And you can wear it. You can wear it like this, like a crossbody bag. You can wear it like that, or you can also wear it like a shoulder bag, like that. And for me, this is really worth the price, worth the item. It's because I can use this daily. I can, put also a lot of things in this bag because it has lots of compartments. So I can put my cell phone, my keys, my wallet, my sanitizer, my lotion. So, and there's also, as what I said, there's also pocket on the back area, and I really love it, friends. I can just wear it like, as what I said, daily or every day of my life. I can wear it at work. I can wear it like if I'll go shopping with my friends, or I'll go shopping with my husband, or you know, you can wear like sporty attire, casual, formal event that you're gonna attend someday. So I really love it so much. So yeah, and I hope that you like my video, and thank you so much for watching, friends. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye. Mwah. So this is how I will wear it, friends, like a crossbody bag. Or the other side, like a shoulder bag.